Once again, welcome to Oracle Database Administration, Competency 2, Chapter 5, Software Installation. Most of you who have reached this point, who took 2309 and 1345, have already built databases. And it's basically, it was a GUI interface where you just click, 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 and it builds it in a magical mystery kind of sort of way. Well, what Chapter 5 talks about, it's nice to have the click, but understand that the parallel here is like a calculator. It's nice to have a calculator that can do math. And you have these calculators that have the graphical stuff that do really, really nice computations. But the thing is that a calculator is a tool. You still have to know math. Okay? You have to know the basics behind pushing the buttons. So what Chapter 5 talks about is really going deep into what these buttons are doing when you click, when you do click, click, click. So Chapter 5 talks about the mystery behind the click. It talks about maybe guidelines. You should sit down and figure out what you're going to do before you click. It's nice to click, click, click and get it done, but it's better if you sit down and prepare what you're going to click before you click it, because when the option comes up and you're sitting there trying to figure, okay, which of these options do I pick? Well, you should have had that done before you got to that point. So you have to kind of have a preparatory process to know what to click when the opportunity presents itself. Now, Oracle now does not provide hard copy documentations, but you can get everything online. And I recommend that you buy a ream of paper or 2 reams and download whatever documentation you need to support this. Because I guarantee you, if the network is down and you're having problems and you cannot get to the Oracle site for information, you're going to need this hard copy presentation or material. So once again, Chapter 5 talks about software installation, and once again it parallels the click, 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 knowing what happens behind the click.